half, so we're going to use our calculators. Oops. X 4 X 1. Oops. Let's just make sure it's inputted properly, and then I'm going to change my window to the window they've got. What is the window they've got? So I'm going to do 2 to -2 and every half. And X can go -0.5 to 2.5. Scales every 0.5. -2, 2. Oops. -3.5. Okay, so you just then copy that onto here, making sure you put all the appropriate. Okay, so just make sure those points are transferred onto there. Solve if x equals 0. So since we have it in the calc, we may as well just use this. So calc 0. So, oh, we've already got our left bound, right bound. Oh, what's happened there? So second calc, we're trying to find 0, left bound. Okay, let's go back. Left bound, right bound. Okay, so that's 1, 0. And let's find the other. And the other one's at 1.839. Okay, 1.84. You can see the region closed, rotated. Okay, so we're volumes of revolution. Here we go, volumes of revolution. The region closed graph, the F. Okay, so they're going to be our two limits. We can use the calculator. Okay, so our lower limit was 1, our upper limit was, what was it? 1.84. Then we're going to input the function. Oh lord, oh here it is. Negative x 2x power 3 subtract 1. Okay, and then don't forget, so this is the integral, and then we just have to multiply it by pi. Oh gosh, no, we need to square it. Miss Harrison almost made a boo-boo. So I'm going to insert brackets here. Insert bracket here. Oh, wrong place. And then square that function. Okay, so that's that, and then we then multiply that by pi. Which gives us 0.637. Okay. Alright, so we've got maximum point, minimum points, and P. Okay, so P is the amplitude. So we can see this goes up to 2, down to -1. It's halfway between that. So our amplitude is going to be 0.5. So P is 0.5. R is a number that's shifted up. So that in this case, this is where our central line is. So R is 1.5. And then Q affects the period. So normally our sine curve does a full period, has a period of 2 pi. We can see we've done 1.5 cycles in pi. So in 2 pi it's going to be 3 cycles. So that means our value of Q is 3. So you can either look at what's your period and do 2 pi divided by that number, but seeing as I don't know what that number is, you could also say, well, how many cycles do they get through in 2 pi? So I've done 1.5 in pi, so in 2 pi I'll do 3, so that means Q is 3. Okay,